Hi, my name's Corey. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm going to teach you how to play drums from a beginner level. So we're going to go ahead and sit right on down. We're going to tuck the snare drum in the center and sit straight up. And then we're just going to think foot and hand and 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 foot and foot and just that easy. All it is just simple foot and hand, and that will keep you not only in time, but also it'll keep it to where you know exactly what is supposed to be happening at what time. Because this is not one, and this is not two. And so therefore it makes it nice and easy to figure foot or hand. Have a great night.